an X and a Y. One value will be known as our input, and the other value is known as our output. Every single input must map to only one output. And when I say only one, I mean one unique output. Whatever I put in has to go exactly to something that comes out, and it has to go to the exact same value every single time. An example of a real world function that I like to use every now and then is a vending machine, because what do we mean when we say a vending machine is functioning? We mean if I am to put something in, like for example, this vending machine that I have here, if I were to enter A3, well then I would expect out of the vending machine to pop a choco bar. If I were to enter B4, well then I would expect milk to come out of this vending machine. And so we have some relationship here where I'm relating some number value or some alphanumerical value